He was found dead in his study, but beside his body it was a typed confession, written by himself. The man was Raymond Carter, a reclusive author known for crime novels. But his final story was his own. His door was locked from the inside. No fingerprints, no murder weapon, no forced entry, just silence. And that message. The page detailed a plan to kill him, in exact, chilling steps, down to the minute. It even described the killer, but there was no one, and no trace, except a set of footprints in his own shoe size. Was it a clever suicide, a staged murder, or something unnatural? Then, months later, a second manuscript appeared, one no one remembered him writing. The final twist? He predicted his real killer by name, and that person vanished a week later. To this day, no one knows who really wrote the confession. But Raymond Carter's last mystery may have been his masterpiece.